Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I want to show you just how easy it is to cook air fryer spaghetti squash seeds. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodie, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. So, have you ever wondered what to do with all the seeds that you have left behind from a spaghetti squash? Well, next time you cook an air fry spaghetti squash or an instant pot one or even one in the microwave, remember to keep the excess. This is the amount of excess we've actually got from just one of these. And it's just brilliant for cooking in the air fryer. They're lovely. They're crispier than they are in the oven, and they're just so delicious. You know, you can do the same, of course, with pumpkin seeds as well, or any other seeds that you're really into. And then what I recommend is a separate bowl so that when you're sorting through them, it's easy to separate. So the bowl in front is going to become the one with all the seeds, without all the rubbish. And then that's just all a load of flesh there. Oh, and then look at how many of them kind of developed in here as well. So we can just pour a load of these in. Brilliant that a load of them have just dropped like that. So it makes the job so much easier. And just pull at it like that. As you can see, that's how much you've actually got left from one spaghetti squash. And then this is the annoying bit. That's how much you've actually got left in your other bowl. I mean, isn't that annoying? But now you separated them, a quick hand wash, and then we're going to dab them dry. Right, so now what I recommend is you get yourself another tea towel or something that you've got. Right, we don't need those anymore. And then tea towel out on your worktop. And then you're just looking to dab them dry. You can also use kitchen towel for this as well, because you just want to get rid of some of the fleshy wet bits, because otherwise the oil will struggle to stick. And then once you've done that, into a mixing bowl. And this is when you get to add all your seasonings. So I'm adding cumin, sweet paprika, and coriander leaf. And then you want a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I like to use the lid because it just makes it so easy, so that you don't end up putting too much in. And then it's ready, all mixed together. And then you've got a nicely mixed bowl. I'm just going to quickly wash my hands because otherwise I'm going to get that air fryer very dirty. Then grab your air fryer. And then spread them all out best you can. And then, as you can see, much better spread out now. And then let's place it back in the air fryer unit. And then we're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. And we're looking for a cook time of 8 minutes. And then press start. And we've beeped. And wow! Those spaghetti squash seeds look absolutely amazing. and it really gives them a wonderful colour by using paprika. If you've not cooked with sweet paprika before, then note that it's not spicy and it just gives a lovely flavour to them. So note, because it's squash, seeds, you always get a few stuck. Right, I'm just getting rid of these last one. There we go, I've got the stuck ones. Oh, I can't miss one. So there you have it. There's spaghetti squash seeds cooked in the air fryer, lovely and crispy and perfect for your Netflix snacks. And then these are the spaghetti squash seeds. Don't they look fantastic? And can you believe this is all air fryer? These are absolutely delicious. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.